The 2020 and newer Can-Am Spyder RT is known for its notoriously weak factory seat strut, frustrating many riders as they struggle to keep the seat upright while refueling. Now, while we do offer replacement seat struts to resolve this issue, today we're excited to introduce another option, the flip-up seat support bracket from SE Performance. This ingenious device installs in under a minute using push pins. When it's time to refuel, simply flip up the bracket for support. Once you're done, lift the seat, flip the bracket down, and lower the seat. No more fumbling around while refueling. It's a brilliantly simple fix to a persistent problem. Without further ado, allow our team to walk you through the install process on our Shop 2024 RT Limited.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Push your ignition key in and turn it clockwise so that you can lift up on the driver's seat. With a seat bracket in place, align the holes on each metal tab with the pre-existing holes on the frame just below the seat. Insert a push pin base into one of the holes, followed by the center pin to secure it into place. Then repeat for the push pin on the other side. To use the bracket, simply flip it up until it comes in contact with the plastic lip on the underside of the seat. When finished, flip the bracket back down so that you can lower your seat.
That's all there is to it, folks. If this simple but effective seat bracket is something you'd like to see on your Spyder RT, then head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.